So guys, today I'm planning to show you something. So, you know I've made the Kidsland characters, right? Well, before that, there were other characters before I made the Kidsland in November of 2025. Which, and probably early December, which were called OS Humans and Browser Humans. Let's go. Alright, you see the characters, of course, that made like the kid community character like that. For example, like this. Okay, this can piss off the screen. So, I know I made Mika kid characters, right? Like so Yep, that's it. That's the characters that I made. But before that, I've made them much more in November. For example, here's the templates of these bodies. Oh, here, he repost. Look, male, female, buff male, thick female, non-binary slash gender, okay, what did I type? Did I even done this right way or something? Chubby male, chubby female, chubby non-binary slash gender neutral, femboy, chubby femboy. Yeah, I've made these characters. I mean, these boy parts. And now I'm going to show you these before I made the Kidsland characters. The first character I made was Mariko Flax. Oh. Okay. Don't worry. Oh, here I meant OS Humans. These are the humans I was talking about. The music isn't not copyrighted, by the way. Okay, here are the characters. Windows, Mac, Apple, Android, macOS X, and BlackBerry. And besides, what? And besides, this is what body parts they had. They're looking weird. For example, this was the first ever one that I've ever made in my life. It looked like this. After this, I made Browser Humans. Oh wait, Windows Humans also made that too. It was usually on November 22nd. One day later, on November 21st, I made this, Windows Humans. However, I made Browser Humans on December 3rd, 2025. But the first one I made was at school, by the way. Then when I got it on December 9th, the laptop, then I decided to make more. These are the characters. Chrome, Opera, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Edge. By the way, I made it look like a kid. By the way, this is how old are they based on their birth date or release date. Yep. I also made bios of these characters. Name Chrome, full name Goo Chrome, gender male, birthday I forgot that too. That September 2nd or December 11, 2008, age 17. Description: That's girl's son. Birthplace California, USA. Nation American. Name opera. Name opera. Gender male. Birthday April 10th, 1995. Age 30. Description: he's European. Birth date: Oslo, Norway. Nation: Norwegian. Name: Internet Explorer. Gender: male. Birthday: August 16th, 1995. Age 30. Description: dead browser, I guess. Birthplace: Washington, USA. Nation: American. Name: Firefox. Full name: Firefox Mozilla. Gender: male. Birth date: November 9th, 2004. Age 21. Sorry. Descriptions: Chrome's best friend, I guess. Fun fact: he was supposed to be a dog. Birthplace: California, USA. Nation: American. Name: Safari. Gender: male. Birth date: January 7, 2003. Age: 22nd. Description: he is rich. Birthplace: California, USA. Nation: American. Name: Ash. Full name: Microsoft Edge. Gender: male. Birth date: July 29, 2015. Age: 10. Description: he is IE's brother or father, I don't know. What? Birthplace: Washington, USA. Nation: American. Right. The reason why I started making these characters like Windows humans is just to remove my to remove my depression, because I had autism syndrome, of course. To remove my problems in my brain. To make it more masculine, for example. Well, guys, that's it. Hold on, I'm gonna say something. By the way, this is the first character I made of the Kids Land. Mariko faxed myself. I made this art. By the way, about the take female body, that was a problem. I know this. First, at the beginning, they didn't have cloud lines. If I remove the clothes. Oh wait, I fixed that. Oh look. This annoying part. See? Oh my gosh, how unsatisfying to see this. Yep. This here, guys. Hold on, guys. Guys, wish me good year. I don't wanna have any dramas, and I wish you guys good year too. Don't know if I ever come back to Browser Humans or not. Unlikely. I don't know if likely or not. But I might probably come back to the Kids Land working series and scrap the episode. The episode 1 will be the pilot episode, and the second episode will be episode 1. I mean, that episode 2 was supposed to be scrapped though. And also, there's a fun fact. I tried to make 69 letterbox. I tried to make letterbox like this. I was doing this. However, I cancelled that. October to November 2025 live. What could it be? Van. This is where I got this pressed. Hold on. How long it have been recording? 9 minutes. This. I hope I'm not rejected by anyone. 69. Oh yeah, I tried to letterbox it. It's annoying. Guys, don't know what shall do. Nano gets grounded. My new intro 2025. Oh yeah, that was planned to be my new intro. in November 2025. Guys, I'm not playing around like that much because of stress, kinda. I don't know. I have had this account since 2023 and posted because I lost my old one in. I lost like 2 years ago. In April of 2024, I think. Oh, let's see when I compare my grammar. I'm back on my old egg. So, oh my god. I didn't attack capital letter first on the early February of 2023. So guys, my account have been blocked until February 2023. Guys, I am back with my old account. So yeah guys. This is the history before I started to make kid community characters with myself, and the beginning I showed that. So yeah guys, by the way, Marcus Fox is that look, that show was the old one. Anyways, thanks for watching, bye.